Welcome back to Codecademy's Learn Express routes. We're in sending a response. It says HTTP follows a one request, one response cycle. Each client expects exactly one response per request, and each server should only send a single response back to the client per request. The client is like a customer at a restaurant ordering a large bowl of soup. The request is sent through the waitstaff. The kitchen prepares the soup, and after it is prepared, I did a typo here, but after it's prepared, the waitstaff returns it to the customer. In the restaurant, it would be unfortunate if the soup never arrived back to the customer, but it would be equally problematic if the customer was given 4 large bowls of soup and was asked to consume them all at the exact same time. That's impossible with only 2 hands. Express servers send responses using the .send method on the response object. .send will take any input and include it in the response body. Here we have this const monsters. It is an array of objects. All 3 have keys of type and values. 1 werewolf, second one hydra, third one chupacabra. Then we have our get request to /monsters. And when somebody hits that route, it will respond with this .send method, and we're passing monsters in there, which should be this array with these objects. So in this example, a get to /monsters request will match the route. Express will call the callback function, and the res.send method will send back an array of spooky monsters. In addition to .send, .json can be used to explicitly send JSON formatted responses. JSON sends any JavaScript object passed into it. Instructions. Send the expressions array from your app.get handler. Now that you have a complete route, you can test it out by reloading the browser window and clicking the refresh expression button on the machine. So let us come out here. We have this const expressions, which is this array here. They want us to send the expression array from app.get handler. App.get handler, the only one that we have is this one here to /expressions. So we want to do res.send, and we're sending that expressions const. So it says if you make changes to app.js, you will need to restart your server to see the changes in effect. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+C in the terminal window to stop the old server, and you can start it again with node app.js. Let's try this here. We'll do node app.js. It's listening, so let's refresh this. And it says here refresh expressions. Got it at 200, which means everything was okay. Let us check work to make sure we passed, and we did pass. So the important thing to get from this is that we did pass in this empty array, this expressions array, into our route. So when somebody hits our expressions route, we will respond with that empty expressions array, which right now doesn't have anything. As long as you get that, you guys are getting this lesson. If this is all still not making too much sense, just continue sticking with me, and I promise at the end I will make a video implementing this on my computer so that you don't feel so unsure about how to actually implement this yourself. Other than that, make sure to share, like, and subscribe to keep these videos coming. It really does help push me to create more content, to know this is helping others. I'll see you in the next lesson.